Welcome to Computer Tips and Tricks. In this video, we are gonna learn how to find free Udemy courses on any topic. Let's start by logging on to www.udemy.com. Open your web browser and type the URL www.udemy.com. Browse the categories and find the topic you are interested to learn. For example, web development. Now you can see the paid courses for web development. But there are free courses too. To find the free courses on this topic, you can append free on the URL. Now it displays the free courses. You can select any course and enroll to your account. That's it. Thank you.